You guys have any plans?
No.
Every time we try to steal the eggs, and the birds always won. Ugh. This is the worst years in our lives. Oh, are we gonna steal the eggs again? Huh? What do you think? Should we do another round? I don't really know. Like, I've been thinking this the whole time. What if it's a baby bird eggs the whole time, not the eggs? Not even the food or anything. Well, how are you supposed to know? I don't really know. Shall we take a break? Yeah, sure. Hold it right there.
Are you trying to steal the eggs again?
Well, ow. Hey, I think he's trying to.
I'm running away now. Hey, you better stop that. What are you gonna do with the eggs?
Bye.
That's what I thought.
Yep, I deserve that.
And our work here is done. All right. Let's go have some fun, like free time.
Well, that was gonna escalate quickly.
Eh,